We are going to review today for Unit 3, Three-Dimensional Objects. This is going to be Part 1. First, we're going to be looking at using and understanding Cavalieri's principle. That's Cavalieri. Alright, using and understanding this principle. This is a visual example of Cavalieri's principle. Notice that at first, the CDs are all nice and lined up straight, and that they have a volume. Now I'm going to start to push them over to the side. The height, the vertical height does not actually change. Okay, and the volume doesn't change, does it? I'm going to push them even further. Again, they're still the same height, and they're still the same volume, and they have the same base. Basically, what this principle says is just because we push the pile of the CDs to one side, it does not change the volume of the CDs. Okay? Let's put this into practice. Alright, here's an example. Notice that I have two cones, A and B. One is straight up and the other is slanted. Okay, we are given these two cones with the same height and radius. If the radius is 7 and the height is 10 centimeters, will they have the same volume? Well, let's look at how to do this. We're going to find the volume of object A. Well, how do you find the volume of a cone? Go get the formula. It's 1/3 pi r squared times h. Notice that we find the area of the circle, we multiply it by the height, but because it's a cone, we take 1/3. Alright, let's get busy. Alright, we know the radius is 7 and the height is 10. Let's plug it in. I like to combine things up. I squared my 7. I've got it all over 3. Plug it into your calculator. I did the top first. Now I'm going to divide by 3. Notice that we get 512.87 centimeters cubed. Well, how do you do B? Well, let's find out. Yeah, you go get the same formula. I have the same information. I plug it into the same formula. I gather my stuff up, I squared my radius, I multiplied the top together, and yeah, you get the same answer. It doesn't matter that it's slanted. Okay? One more example. Why don't you pause the video and try it on your own? If not, follow along with me. I'm finding the volume of a slanted cylinder. Okay? There is the formula for the volume of a cylinder. The area of the base times the height. Okay? I am told that the radius is 5 centimeters and that the height is 15 centimeters. I plug that in. I go ahead and square my radius, put it in the calculator, and voila. Not hard. They look a little scary, but as long as you have the vertical height, they're just like doing a cylinder that's straight up. Okay? Are we good? I hope so. Hope that helped you. Bye-bye.